Choosing the best hearing aid on the market may not be as straightforward as it seems. When it comes to hearing aids, it's not so much about the brand, but rather the source from where you acquire your device and the level of support provided by the provider. Here's why. Most hearing aids, regardless of the brand, offer similar capabilities. What sets one apart from the other is often the quality of the service provided by the hearing healthcare professional, the continuous support for the device, and the overall customer experience. Hearing aids are generally divided into different technology levels: lower essential, essential, basic or standard, advanced, and premium. These categories determine their channels, ranging from 4 up to 20. However, it's worth noting that a higher cost and a premium label do not always equate to a better hearing experience. A basic model could serve your needs just as effectively, depending on your hearing loss and lifestyle. The key here is understanding your unique hearing needs and finding a hearing aid that suits those needs. Let's look at some examples in the hearing aid industry. The Sonova Group manufactures Phonak and Unitron hearing aids. These devices are similar on the inside, sharing the same technology chip and being compatible with the same accessories. But they are designed differently on the outside, providing a range of options to suit individual aesthetic preferences. Similarly, WS Audiology is the main manufacturer behind several hearing aid brands, including Signia, Widex, Audioservice, Rexton, A&M Hearing, and Cassell G. Again, the primary difference between these brands is often the exterior design and pricing strategy, not the technology itself. For instance, the cost of Signia hearing aids is usually higher due to branding and marketing, not necessarily because it offers superior technology. Even within a single manufacturer, such as Starkey Laboratories, several brands exist including Starkey, Audibel, Microtech, and Soundgear. Each offers different designs and aesthetic options, but all are underpinned by the same base technology. With all this in mind, it becomes clear that the best hearing aid isn't about the brand, but about the support and services you receive from the hearing aid provider. It is crucial to purchase hearing aids from a local supplier who can offer you ongoing support, maintenance, and adjustments. So, when you're in the market for a new hearing aid, don't just look at the brand name and price tag. Consider the services that come along with the device, and choose a provider who you can trust to support you in your journey towards better hearing.